Excuse me, where can I? They're right over here. Wow, this place is beautiful.
I told you you'd like it.
Everything looks so fresh.
That's why people love shopping here.
Good morning. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'd like some strawberries.
How many would you like? Take your time.
One basket, please. Great choice. These were picked this morning. They look delicious. They're very sweet. Thank you. Those peaches look amazing. Would you like to taste one? Yes, please. It's really sweet.
Fresh fruit tastes better, doesn't it?
It really does. That's why our customers come back every week. I understand why. It smells wonderful.
Good morning, fresh bread. Would you like to try a sample?
Yes, thank you.
I think we should buy one.
Yes.
Would you like white bread or whole wheat?
I'd like the whole wheat bread, please.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fresh bread for you! Enjoy your bread!
This looks amazing. These flowers are beautiful. Thank you, they're all fresh. Which flowers are your favorite? I love sunflowers. They always make people smile. I love them too. One bouquet, please. Wonderful, here you are. Thank you. Your total is $20. Can I pay by card? Of course. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. I'm really happy we came today.
You spoke English with 3 different vendors.
I didn't even feel nervous.
You're becoming more confident.
I think so too. Thank you for always encouraging me.
You're doing great. So, where should we go next? How about the library?
That's a great idea. I'd like to borrow some books.
Then we'll go to the library next Saturday.
I can't wait. Bye.
See you next week.
Bye. Now it's time for the listening challenge. I will ask you a few questions about the story. You will have 3 seconds to answer before I reveal the answer. Let's begin. Question 1. Where did Sophia and Jason go? They met at farmer's market. Question 2. What fruit did Sophia buy? It's strawberries and peaches. Question 3. What kind of bread did Sophia choose? It's wheat bread. Question 4. What flowers did Sophia love? The answer is sunflowers. How many questions did you answer correctly? Great job! Now let's review some useful words from today's story. Let's review the vocabulary word, farmer's market. A farmer's market is a place where people buy fresh food directly from local sellers. Let's review another word, vendor. A vendor is a person who sells something. For example, the fruit vendor was very friendly. Let's review another word, whole wheat. Whole wheat is a type of bread made with the entire wheat grain. For example, I'd like the whole wheat bread, please. Let's review another word, bouquet. A bouquet is a group of flowers arranged together. Sophia bought a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Now it's time for speaking practice. I will say a sentence. Listen carefully. Then, repeat the sentence after me. You will have 3 seconds to speak. Let's practice together. I'd like some strawberries. Your turn. 3. Great job! Would you like to taste one? Your turn. Excellent. I'd like the whole wheat bread, please. Your turn. Very good. Which flowers are your favorite? Your turn. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did a great job. Don't forget to come back for our next adventure. At the library, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time!